Hello everybody, this is Eric with A Fold Beyond, and today I am going to show you how to make an origami lotus flower. This is a traditional model. It's pretty easy. It's going to be basically 4 blintz folds, and we're going to show you what that is in just a moment. So today I'm using 6 by 6 inches or 15 by 15 millimeter paper, centimeter, purple. Any square paper will do as usual, and without any further ado, let's hop right into it. So first thing you want to do is take the color side up, right? Flip it over, and we're going to create a valley fold halfway across. Open it back up, rotate it 90 degrees, and create one more valley fold. Trying to be nice and precise here. And now we're going to start our blintz. So blintz fold is simply taking all the 4 corners, right, putting them to the center. So we're going to do this 3 times. All right, so here we go. 1 corner, 2 corners, 3rd, and the 4th. There you have it. That is a blintz fold. So we're going to do this 2 more times. I'll lift the paper here. Let's see, I got a little mistake over here, but in the end it's not going to matter too much. Alright, that's the 2nd blintz fold. And now let's do for the 3rd. Oh, that one wasn't that good. Alright, so on our 3rd blintz fold, I want to take a pause, and what we're going to do is we're going to make 4 rabbit ear folds on each of these flaps. So to do a rabbit ear fold, just take one edge, fold it to this edge, go to the other side, take this edge, fold it to that edge, then lift it open a bit and just kind of fold them together at the same time, and you'll end up with something like this, a little rabbit ear. And then unfold. Do that to all 4 flaps. Alright, so the model is almost complete at this stage. What we're going to do is going to flip it over, and we're going to do 1 more blintz fold. Alright, but on the other side. We do this like this. Remember, blintz fold is all 4 corners. All right. Now when you have that final blintz fold, what I want you to do is unfold one flap, open two flaps, find that rabbit ear fold you made, right? So take it, remake the rabbit ear fold, and then when you fold them back in, you're gonna get this. Take your finger, for me I'm gonna use my thumb, and just, you can see here, just push and pull. When you get that, you'll get this nice little petal here. We're gonna do that, of course, all around, right? So show you again, open two flaps, flip it over, make that rabbit ear fold again, and close the flaps, insert your thumb, just slide a little bit. Then you'll have this. And then the final step is you're gonna kind of push and hold it like this, I find is easiest. Turn it over. You're gonna have these little flaps left over. Take it and kind of peel it outwards. When you get right about here, it's easier to just kind of put your finger in there like this and roll out. But don't roll too hard. You want the ends of the flaps to stay tucked in, which is this on the other side. It's holding this piece of paper in. So as long as you don't pull too much, your flower will stay intact. And by doing this, you give it a nice round shape at the end, like so. And there you have it, an origami lotus flower. If you like this video, please make sure to like it. It lets me know that I did a good job. And of course, if you want more origami videos and don't want to miss one, just subscribe. Also, if you're looking for origami paper, you can go to my website at www.foldbeyond.com, and we have a variety of paper for you to buy, all of them premium quality papers, usually imported from Japan. I save you the trouble and we ship from the United States. So I appreciate you watching this video and have a great day.